Where you about to go? Put your skirt down.
To the dance class.
To the dance class. Show me what you're going to do at dance class. When you put your ballet shoes on. Good. And show me how you tiptoe on your toes. Good. Show me how you tap dance. That's how you do it? Okay, now do the Harry. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Throw your hands up. Now put them at your side. Do the Harry. Do the Harry. Do the Harry. Do the Harry. Somebody scream. Okay. Sing You're So Beautiful.
You are so beautiful to me. Can you see? You really did that before. You really did that me. You are so beautiful to me.
All right. Thank you.